A lot of people aren't aware of it, but we have a venture fund. And we have a nicely funded venture fund. I don't know if it's public yet on the amount, but it's a significant amount. Fund was really created to further our internal strategies via external innovation, which is a big change for Walgreens. 113-year-old company, 112-year-old company, everything used to be internal. It used to come from the inside. If it didn't come from the inside, it wasn't really considered great. But all of a sudden, we have decided, and it's not all of a sudden, over a course of 3 to 5 years, external to us is pretty significant. Let's bring external ideas in because those external ideas are better in some situations for healthcare than some of the internal ideas that we have. So we're looking for investment. So financial is important, but really the most important is the strategic rationale. Yeah, we want to make money on those investments, but our real reason is strategically. We want to change the strategic value. We want to take a minority interest in positions, no significant control. We're stage agnostic. We have invested in some companies that have no revenue. We've invested in some companies that have big revenue. We've put in many millions of dollars into some companies. And actually, one of them that we've put in most number of millions of dollars has no revenue in the issue that we're going to be working with them with. We're focused on pharmacy innovation, mHealth, healthcare services, and e-commerce. And it's led, and we do a thing called co-production, and we'll talk a little bit more about that. We're co-producing things together. In big companies, it's very hard to just have one group do something. You have to have it integrated with another group. So together, the M&A team, which really provides us a great backbone of deals, how to make deals appropriately, works heavily with the innovation team to figure out what we should invest in. And what's the value of the fund? People constantly ask us this. You know, what has the fund brought us? And we've had this fund now, I guess, for about 3 years. And we've, over $100 million of investment already. Actually, stronger than that. And so far, it's on paper, but every deal we've done, we've made more money. Every one. There hasn't been one, which is amazing. We're even shocked about that, to be perfectly honest, because with innovation, you have to fail. And you should fail every once in a while, actually more than once in a while, but so far we've been doing pretty good. 2, it supports and advances our core operations and our strategies, allows us to share in value creation, and it's really one of our ways to get a pipeline for the future. And what's interesting with our venture fund, we invest in companies and we invest in venture funds. And you say, well, why do we invest in venture funds? Well, we invest, in some venture funds to help bring us more deals because we're really looking for other companies. But we have relationships with, I guess, 50 to 100 venture funds that are bringing us, whether we invest or we don't invest. We do all kinds. And it's really, I think, the chief reason for the fund is going to help us differentiate the company. Like I said, everybody sells toothpaste and everybody sells generic Lipitor, or pretty much everybody. Soon some people will joke we'll be at gas stations because it'll be easy to get them quick. How are we going to differentiate? Why come to Walgreens versus going to CVS? Or why Walmart? Why us instead of Walmart? I mean, these are all questions that people ask. And we have to find ways to make that occur. And this is going to help us. Innovation is going to do it, no question.